welcome back to Festive Forever and welcome to my burger party. Today we are going to try only burgers from different places. Actually, there are a couple of places which are quite famous for burgers, but मैंने यहाँ पर मेरे choice के places decide किए हैं. So let's begin. Okay guys, so the first burger that we have over here is from the Cereal Griller. Actually, before I unwrap the burger, I really want to acknowledge their efforts for crafting their paper bag, which looks quite interesting. Right over here, they have written "Utha Le Re Baba," which is a famous dialogue from Hera Fairy, and thoda filmy vibe bhi aata hai. And next thing that they have written over here, taste ka trip, which also makes kind of sense because food takes you to some another trip, and or you can say food trip. One side is just like this, and then there is other side which says keh ke dunga. I don't know from which movie this dialogue is, but I feel कि ये कोई तो movie का ही होगा. And if you guys know which movie they are referring to, then leave it in the comment section below. Now let's open this baby. There are two things inside of this which I can clearly see. One is of course the burger, and I think ये fries है. Mostly तो fries ही होंगे, और क्या हो सकता है. Let's unwrap this beautiful burger which is called Hellfire, and I'm definitely sure that Hellfire means that it's going to be extremely spicy. I have opted for multi-grain bun instead of sesame bun. So let's just have a look. This is obviously a chicken burger. It's loaded with lots of spicy chilies. I can definitely see that. Just see how much chili is there, and it's actually they had written under the burger that it's not our responsibility, we had warned you. I'm actually really scared looking at those chilies because I have a feeling that it's going to literally burn my mouth, and just I don't know, my taste buds are going to go numb, but then we have to try it. It's so spicy. If you guys don't have tolerance for spicy food, then you can definitely not have this. Area near my lips is actually burning, and when they said that it's your own responsibility, I feel they were right. People like me will definitely enjoy it because I love spicy food, but otherwise people who don't like it, or if they don't have tolerance, then they cannot have it. Other than burger being spicy, there are a couple of things which are notable. That it's spicy, that is true, but they have actually used caramelized onion so that there is a balance of spiciness and then sweet taste that you would get from caramelized onions. And then there are tomatoes, lots of cheese, but definitely cheese is not helping to reduce the spiciness in this burger. And I think I must have mentioned this 1,000 times, but guys, just have only if you love spicy food to an extent that you're okay with sweating. Next thing, that the burger was for rupees 364 only, and they had couple of options, like you can choose from chicken or lamb, and then they had different kind of buns like multigrain, sesame, and even keto, I guess. And along with burger, you also get these fries, which are I think small in size, but they would do. So for 364 rupees, such amazing burger which is filled with lots of spicy flavors. So I'm definitely going to give this dish a thumbs up. इतना स्पाइसी खाने के बाद आई एम सो ग्लैड दैट आई कॉल्ड फॉर अ मिल्क शेक. दिस इज चॉकलेट मिल्क शेक. And details I'm gonna tell you guys regarding this at the end of the video, but right now I'm just gonna sip this and relax my taste buds because right now they are definitely on fire. Wow, I'm feeling so relaxed. Moving on, next burger that we have over here is from Jimmy's Burger, and I'm sure everybody is aware of this outlet. Jimmy's Burger is quite known for its different kind of burgers. They have a lot of choices to choose from. Actually, I have choose everything from the best seller. So whatever things you guys are seeing or I am eating is all from their best seller category. So let's just go ahead and get our hands on it. There are some tissues and of course my bill. This burger costed me for rupees 289 only. So let's go ahead and enjoy this delicious burger. I'm sure it's going to be really tasty and good. Here we can see their packaging. It's in foil. This is their sesame bun. Oh, I'm gonna open this and see what all things are there. Again, this is chicken. Sorry guys, all the burgers are mostly chicken because who eats veg burger? No offense to vegetarians, but I feel that all the burgers that we eat generally are amazing when it's made from chicken or lamb. So here they have the chicken patty, some onion, some cheese, and their special sauce. Actually, one interesting thing that I would definitely like to mention over here. Okay, I'm gonna make it messy because of course I'm gonna show you inside. This burger is double patty burger. Beneath there is some lettuce and then some chicken, 2 patties of chicken, some cheese, some onion and some sauce. And this burger is called crunchy fried chicken burger, of course, because their patty is fried. The burger is quite huge, and let's just go ahead and grab a bite. I'm actually thinking where to start from. The chicken is deep fried, but it's quite dry. The sauce is not much, it's just a little less. The patty is boneless. Actually, it's not a patty, it's a deep fried chicken breast piece. And then there are some onions, caramelized onion. It's actually sweet and tangy, but it's really salty, and I felt that it was quite dry for my taste. And the burger is okay, probably because the sauce was quite less for my taste, and the burger has to be saucy, right? If the burger is not saucy, then you don't feel that kind of a edge to it. So I just felt that that was lacking. Other than that, the burger is quite good. It costed me around 289 rupees for this burger, but I think it's worth the price because they actually added double patty, and they kind of did justice, but for my taste I felt that it's dry. And yeah, that's it. Moving on, the next burger that we have over here is from Good Flipping Burger. I'm just gonna go ahead and open this. Okay. Now let's open our delicious burger from Good Flipping Burger. This burger is called Cluckinator, and this costed me around 341 rupees only. And I'm just gonna go ahead and open this delicious, crazy looking amazing burger which we are gonna just unveil it for you guys. I think most of the burger company or burger outlets use sesame bun. This is their house-made bun, and the burger is quite tiny. Again, they have fried chicken, breast piece, some cheese, and there is some green thing going on over here. Probably this is lettuce. The burger from beneath also contains some cheese. I can see that. It's kind of red fried big chicken breast piece, and yeah, it looks good, delicious, nothing else. Why there's no onion, no lettuce? Okay, the burger says that it's spicy, and I don't know what exactly they meant when they said spicy, because I cannot see any chili sauce or anything. So probably the breast piece is going to be spicy or something. Okay, the burger is quite spicy, but it also contains some sweetness, and the patty, actually the flour, all-purpose flour or whichever flour they have used to fry this chicken, has a very thick layer. Coating of flour is kind of overpowering the chicken, but surprisingly it's giving a really good taste. It's spicy, yet some sweetness is there. Their bun is buttery. I can taste little butter. The burger is kind of spicy and sweet, but here the difference is that the spiciness is coming from the chicken breast piece, but sweetness is coming from the bun, which is different from usual burger that we have. Mostly there are spicy sauce and sweet sauce in the burger itself, but here there's an amazing combination where the taste is actually coming from two different sauces, and that's what I loved about this burger. So I'm definitely enjoying this treat for myself. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा ये burger, and nothing is overpowering in this. The sweetness, the spiciness, the bun, the sesame seeds, or the chicken breast piece, all together this was a really good treat. Okay, so the next burger that we have over here is from Fit Food Company. Okay, I did not really think while ordering this one. I just felt that I wanted to order something from a healthy place, and Fit Food Company actually kinda was right there, so I just thought I might as well order and see how healthy this burger is. And healthy people out there, let's give it a try. This one is for you. Their packaging is quite simple. It looks kind of delicious though. Let's just go ahead. Okay, the burger is quite simple. This is cottage cheese burger. It was for rupees 266, but there was some offer going on, so I got it for 175 rupees, and I felt it was a good deal. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into this. Okay, I'm having a difficulty removing this burger from. Okay, the burger is quite filled with lots of things, and I can definitely see some cheese. Okay, the burger is quite saucy. It's saucy to an extent that actually the bun has become quite soggy. And let's just open this and see what all things are there in it. So first thing that I can see, of course, is lettuce. Here there is a lot of sauce, and that kind of made this thing soggy. And here there is cheese slice. Then I'm guessing this is paneer, and lots of paneer, cheese, and some vegetables, some capsicum. So yes, this is cottage cheese burger with some extra cheese on the top, along with some lettuce. Mm. Mm. It's good. The burger is really healthy. The bun is made from wheat flour. I'm guessing, I'm not sure, but that's what I'm feeling over here. There's a lot of cottage cheese. I touched it. I felt that the bun has become really soggy, but that was not the case. When I had it, it was tasting really good, and it was actually beyond my expectations. I just loved it, how it turned out to be so different. Actually, I was not expecting it to be that good, but then if you love cottage cheese and if you're craving for burger and you don't want to ruin your diet, then guys, this is your burger. This is definitely one of the good places that serve amazing food, and if there are any offers going on, then you might also get it for really cheap. And I think 175 rupees for this burger was definitely worth it. And yeah, surprisingly, it's good. So the last thing that we have over here is this chocolate shake. I think I've been drinking this since the beginning, but I didn't mention it because I kept it for last. So about this shake is from Dessert Junction. It was for rupees 220 somewhere. Actually, they had a couple of amazing shakes, and I had called for Belgium dip, and I really loved its texture. Let's just enjoy this beautiful, amazing, tasty, flavorful shake. Let's chit chat about my experience. All the burgers were quite exceptional, and some of the places were above my expectations. Like Good Flipping Burger, I really did not expect much from that place, but it surprised me. And in fact, I think I loved almost each and every burger that I had. Some were really good and exceptional, and some were okay, but nothing was bad. Everything was quite tasty, and I loved my experience. If you guys want me to cover more burger places or have any specific place that you want me to try, then please leave it in the comment section below. I will definitely try. So that's all for today. If you guys are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. And if you want me to cover more such food vlog, please leave it in the comment section below. All the details regarding food, you will find it in the description box below. So guys, I think we are done here, and I'm gonna end my vlog for today, and see you in my next vlog. Till then, live life festive style. Bye bye.